About to be trouble for your technology. AT&T is set to shut down its 3G network. Happens on Tuesday. And if you don't upgrade certain devices, it could have life-threatening consequences. They're warning things like home burglar alarms and fire alarms might not work correctly anymore. They say the alarms should go off for sure, but if they're running on 3G, they won't ping emergency services to let them know you have a problem.
Make sure your alarm systems do not rely on 3G, because if they do, they're going to stop working soon.
Alarm systems that use 3G networks are about to lose the ability to contact law enforcement.
Call your county 911.
That's because wireless carriers are phasing out 3G.
A burglar alarm, a fire alarm, anything like that will no longer be transmitted to the central station using that 3G service.
DeHart Alarm Systems is sending hundreds of letters to customers, urging them to upgrade before their systems stop working.
There are cell towers like this one all over town. They help control our phones, cars, even home security. But soon, our older devices will stop working when mobile providers shut down their 3G networks.
Can't help Katie.
Consumer tech expert Kim Commando hosts a nationally syndicated radio show where she's been warning listeners for months about the need to upgrade their devices.
We've known about this 3G ending for many years, but procrastination is key among us, right? We keep wanting to put it off.
Medical alerts will also be affected, so will home security systems. Tim Harvey is sales manager with Titan Alarm in Phoenix. He recommends anyone with a home or business security system that's more than a year old check and see whether they need an upgrade. Because if it's still on 3G and 3G shuts down, the alarm may keep working, but police and fire won't be notified if there is an emergency.
So 3G has been working fine. So why did I need to worry about it? Well, now the deadline is here, and now you do need to worry about it.
This is likely what comes to mind when you think of 3G. But as AT&T prepares to sunset its 3G network, many are warning the impact will be felt far and wide.
We're most concerned about lives that will be at risk when this 3G sunset occurs.
John Brady warns alarm systems with 3G chips will no longer communicate. But Brady, who runs the nation's largest medical device alert company, says he's most concerned about life safety because millions of alarm systems, from burglar to fire to medical alert, may suddenly stop communicating, and some won't notice until it's too late.
They're going to rely on them at the worst moment in their life, and it isn't going to work.
T-Mobile has agreed to delay its 3G shutdown until July and Verizon until the end of the year, but not AT&T.
That's millions of people across the United States.
There's a big change happening to cellular networks, out with the old and in with the new. Sean Devereaux, Director of Customer-Based Sales for Tech Electronics, explains.
In order for 5G to take off, they need to cannibalize the 3G spectrum.
These shutdowns were delayed multiple times over the last few years. Devereaux says the impact extends beyond cell phones into fire alarms and security systems that will stop communicating with emergency services when 3G is gone. He tells me upgrading systems was hampered by the pandemic and now supply chain issues.